Have you ever felt like you're playing a game without knowing all the rules? In our work, our finances, and even our daily lives, there are powerful principles at play. Today, we're unlocking 7 of the most famous laws that successful and effective people use to their advantage. Understanding these can change everything. Let's dive into these unwritten rules for a smarter life. First, the law of cause and effect. Every action has a reaction. What you put out, you get back. Next, the law of attraction, like attracts like. Focus on what you want, and you'll draw it into your life. Then, the law of reciprocity. Give, and you shall receive. Building strong relationships through giving is key. The law of impermanence reminds us that everything changes. Embrace adaptability and flow with life's currents. The law of practice. Consistent effort leads to mastery. Small, daily improvements add up to big results. Your perspective shapes your reality. The law of perspective teaches us to choose our viewpoint wisely. Finally, the law of gratitude. Being thankful for what you have opens the door for more blessings. These 7 unwritten laws are powerful tools. Apply them consistently and watch your life transform for the smarter.